Mitchell Johnson from Australia took 20 wickets in 14 matches in World Cup. Pakistani spinner Shadab Khan took 20 wickets in 13 World Cup matches. Van Meekeren from Netherlands took 20 wickets in 13 matches in T20 World Cup. Adil Rashid from England took 21 wickets in 23 matches. Indian spinner Ravindra Jadeja took 21 wickets in 23 matches. Chris Jordan from England played 19 matches in T20 World Cup and he got 21 wickets. Mitchell Santner from New Zealand got 21 wickets in 17 World Cup matches. Former Australian all-rounder Shane Watson took 22 wickets in 24 matches. English spinner Graeme Sobban played 16 World Cup matches and he got 22 wickets. Nathan McCallum from New Zealand got 23 wickets in 22 matches. Morde Morkel from South Africa played 17 World Cup matches and he got 24 wickets. Samuel Badri from West Indies played 15 World Cup matches and he got 24 wickets. Henrik Nortje from South Africa played just 11 World Cup matches and he got 24 wickets. New Zealand spinner Ish Sodhi played 17 World Cup matches and he got 25 wickets. Rashid Khan from Afghanistan took 25 wickets in 16 World Cup matches. Kiwi pacer Trent Boult played 14 World Cup matches and he already got 25 wickets so far. Adam Zampa played 15 World Cup matches and he got 25 wickets so far. DJ Bravo from West Indies finished off his career with 27 World Cup wickets in 34 matches he played. Mitchell Starc played 21 matches so far and he got 29 wickets. Tim Southey from New Zealand got 29 wickets in just 22 matches. Stuart Broad from England played 26 World Cup matches and he got 30 wickets. Proteas speed gun Dale Steyn played 23 World Cup matches and he took 30 wickets. Indian spinner Ravi Ashwin played 24 World Cup matches and he got 32 wickets. Wanindu Hasaranga from Sri Lanka played 17 World Cup matches and he already got 33 wickets. Umar Gul played 24 matches and he got 35 wickets in his career. Sri Lankan spinner Ajantha Maris played 21 matches and he got 35 wickets in T20 World Cup. The mystery spinner from Pakistan Saeed Ajmal got 36 wickets in World Cup in just 23 matches. Lethal pacer from Sri Lanka Lasith Malinga got 38 wickets in 31 matches he played in T20 World Cup. Shahid Afridi from Pakistan played 34 matches and he got 39 wickets. Bangladeshi all-rounder and skipper Shakib Al Hassan played 36 matches and he got 47 wickets, and he is the leading wicket taker in T20 World Cup.